everybody, it's Miss Amy with another of our Science Explorers videos. So today we are going to try to make a bubble snake using a few simple ingredients and the strength of our breath. So when we exhale or blow out, our breath contains nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. And so we're going to use those gases and try and get them trapped in the bubbles of dish soap in order to see if we can make a long bubble snake. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some water and some dish soap. That's going to be our little bubble solution. And you're going to want to use a plastic bottle and have an adult help you with cutting it, because you're going to want one end to be open. So take a plastic bottle that you have, cut off the bottom. You really only need a few inches from the mouthpiece of the bottle, okay? And then we need some kind of cloth or covering for this part that we're going to put the bubble solution on. So you can try it with paper towels. So you can try various different thicknesses of paper towels to see which one works the best. So you're going to just rubber band it around that open end. So I got a paper towel on this one. You could also use an old sock, so a slightly thicker cloth, or maybe an old rag that you use for cleaning. So I'm going to put the sock on this one and put a rubber band around it to get it to stay on. Okay, and then, so like I said, our bubble solution is simply just water and some dish soap. So just get a bowl that you can use to kind of mix up this. I'm going to squirt a little more dish soap in there so that we can get it hopefully nice and bubbly. Just kind of stir it, swish it, mix it around a little bit. And then if you want to try and make your bubble snake a certain color, or maybe to have stripes, you can use some food coloring if you like. And what you want to do is, especially if you're going to try and, I'm going to use just one color today, but if you wanted to try and use multiple colors, you can make a pattern of stripes. And you want to put that on the towel portion. You don't want to use the food coloring in here, because if you were to mix up the different colors, it would all kind of blend together and just look black, and you wouldn't get the different colors. So if you want to try stripes, make sure you're putting the food coloring on here. I'm going to just put a couple drops and see if how that will work. Okay, so I put that right on the towel. Then what you're going to do is you're going to dip that end with the towel or rag on into the solution. See how it's already turning the color. And then I'm going to come over here, and you want to take a big deep breath, because the more that you are able to exhale, hopefully the longer the bubble snake will be, the more gases you're pushing out. So take a big deep breath. And there is our very pink looking bubble snake. So you can experiment too with, maybe if you cut off even more of the bottle and have less of the bottle, you might be able to have the bubble snake come out longer. Maybe you're stronger than me at exhaling and can make a nice big exhale and have it really shoot out. I'm going to try one more with the sock so you can kind of see that, but it's really sort of sticking, and then the bubbles fly away. I'm gonna set that down. That's why this is a good one to do outside. Now, because the water's already pink, it will probably get my rag pink too. I should have probably done this one first. And you just kind of swish that in there. And so that cloth or rag or towel is absorbing that dish soap solution again until the gases in what we exhale is going to blow it out into bubbles. Ooh, that was a pretty cool one. And as you can see, if you can get it to fly off like that, it'll just kind of stay on the ground as a cool little bubble snake. All right, so that's what you can try out at home. Just, some water, some dish soap, recyclable plastic bottle, and a paper towel or an old sock for a rag, and you can make your own fun bubble snake. Thanks for watching.